In primetime news this evening, King alarms security guard in hot water amid allegations of attempted sexual assault.
Renewed calls for more affordable housing options for middle-income earners.
And policeman escapes injury during police operation in Spalding, Manchester. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and to those of you watching online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, by now we've all heard about the proposed ban on TikTok in the United States of America. Now, what does that mean for us here in the Caribbean? Well, I have some views. I'll share those in the business day from the experts, and also I'll have your latest gas prices, so you don't want to miss that.
Okay, and Jermaine Brown is also here with a preview of what's to come in primetime sports. Jermaine?
Well, thank you, Herman. It's election time again. This time, the Jamaica Cricket Association elections, and those will be held on Thursday. We'll tell you more about that a bit later on.
And we go over to Romaine with a preview of what's to come in the weather report and forecast.
Thanks, Janella. We're focusing on this Friday for some shower and thunderstorm activity that is likely to be occurring across much of the island, but we still have drier conditions expected thereafter.
I can't wait for the day you just eliminate that line, dry conditions, anyway.
Well, we have a full package. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in the package. But before the break, here is our feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, how can the Jamaica Labour Party improve its messaging ahead of the next general election?
You can share your comments with us. Share them online at facebook.com/televisionjamaica or on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.